Hello, chess friends and chess lovers. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. In today's video, I am going to give you Scandinavian Defense Raps Part 5 video. I am going to give you 3 different best and amazing chess raps in Scandinavian Defense. I am going to give you. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the rap number 1 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is rap number 1 in Scandinavian Defense Part 5 video. In this particular chess game, white wins white checkmate in 13 moves. In 13 moves, white won white checkmate. Okay, you can see how to white won the game. Okay, I am explain deeply and smartly. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4. Then black push his pawn to d5. This is called Scandinavian Defense. The second move of white pawn take the black pawn. Okay, now white pawn take the black pawn. Then knight go to f6. Then knight go to f3. In this case, now black push his bishop to g4. Now pin the knight by the black light square bishop. Bishop pin the knight, and now beautiful move make white bishop go to b5 and beautiful check. Now black the check with black the check with his knight black the check. Then the fifth move of white, pawn go to h3 and attack the bishop by the pawn. Then bishop go back. Okay, we will see. Now bishop go back to h5. Then c4, pawn go to c4. Then e6. Black decided to push his pawn to e6. The seventh move of white pawn go to g4 and attack the bishop by the white pawn. Then bishop go to g6, black bishop go to g6 and white queen go to e2. Now pin the pawn by the queen. You can see here this queen pin the pawn. Now a6, he push the pawn to a6, then pawn take the pawn e. We will see how to handle this much. Black, if cut like this is big blunder, because you can see why this blunder. What easily cut the pawn and discover check here, double check also, and king take the pawn e. Then knight go to g5 and beautiful check here. In this particular chess game, king only have one space. Black king has space, only one space. That's why king go to g8. Then beautiful queen go to e6 and beautiful check here. Now black the check with bishop. Then beautiful queen take the bishop and beautiful checkmate. That's it, this game. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, let's go to the rap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense. Okay. Hello everyone, welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is rap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense. How to white won the game in 9 moves. Okay, you can see how to white won the game. I am going to teach you deeply and smartly. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, d5, e goes d5, then knight come to f6, then white knight go to c3, then knight cross d5, then bishop go to c4. Now attack the knight by the bishop, then knight go to b6 and attack the bishop, and bishop go back to b3. Now black knight go to c6, 2 knight come outside of black pieces. Okay, now the sixth move, knight f3, then The sixth move of black bishop go to g4 and pin the knight by the black bishop. In this case, now white has two options. One is bishop cross f7 and check. Other one is h3. One by one we will see. Okay. First one is if cut like this, what happen? What will happen? Okay. Then now check and cut the king, cut the bishop. Then knight go to here on g5 and beautiful check. In this case, king go to g8, then cut the bishop by the queen. Okay, now you can see here, now white has a pawn up. That's why this game easily win white. Okay, now go back now. If pawn go to h3, what will happen? Okay, if pawn go to there, bishop go back, then knight go to there, then bishop cut the queen. That's it. In one move, white made a beautiful checkmate with white bishop. Bishop cut the pawn and beautiful checkmate. That's it. This is wrap number 2 in Scandinavian Defense. Let's go to the wrap number 3. Okay. Hello everyone. Welcome to Sarmilan Chess. This is wrap number 3 in Scandinavian Defense. In 17 moves, white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white won by checkmate. Okay, I am explaining deeply and smartly. Okay, let's go to the moves. First move is e4, d5. Now Scandinavians depends on the board. Now pawn take the pawn, then knight come to f6, then knight go to c3 and attack, defend the pawn by the knight and cut the pawn by the knight. Then bishop go to there in c4 and attack the knight by the bishop and knight. In this case, knight go to b6, then bishop come to b3, then knight c6. Both two knight come outside of black. Okay. Now the sixth move of white, knight go to f3 and e5, then d3, then bishop go to g4. This is the big blunder key made. That's why this game easily been white. You can see how to white won the game. Now h3 pawn key pushed. Now bishop go to h5, then knight cross e5. If key take the queen by the bishop, that's it. In 2-3 moves, white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white won the game. I am going to explain and analyze deeply. Now the 10th move of bishop cross f7 and beautiful check. If cannot cut because the knight is there. You can see here, I am going to teach you. This king cannot cut this one because this knight defend the bishop. Okay, now another move. The 10th move of king go to e7, another bishop go to check, and this is skewer. Okay, now you can see another move of king go to d6, then knight go to e4 and beautiful check. If he take the knight and now f4 check, now king come to here, now cut the bishop by the rook. Now bishop go to e7. This is the big mistake black did. That's why this game easily win in some moves. 3 moves. In 3 moves, white wins by checkmate. You can see how to white won the game. Another move. King go to there in f2. If bishop come to here b4, that's it. In c3 check and now fork the bishop and king and check. If cut the then check. If cut the pawn by the black bishop, that's it. B cross c3 checkmate. In this particular chess game, white won by checkmate. That's it. If you are watching this channel for the first time, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. God bless everyone. Thank you. Okay.